What's up, family? After that recent sell off in LUMN Technologies, ticker symbol LUMN, and it pulled back right into that demand zone, now sitting at a decision point, I decided to recap real quick and bring you guys the levels. And before switching anything up, here we are on the daily time frame. And what I mean by demand, you can see clear as day how we actually pulled, or not pulled, we dropped after their earnings. Now, we did have earnings, and earnings actually had a surprise profit. However, the future guidance is what brought the stock down, like most earning calls do. So when we gapped down just the other day, we found support. Well, we barely touched the 200 SMA or this royalty zone down here. However, we found support at that 613 demand, which you can see clear as day to the off. But you guys see right here in this area right there, we had a nice demand that we came right back into. So as you see on the daily time frame, we basically held the 200 and now we are running right into the 21 SMA. But this is where it gets interesting, and I mean slight beautiful. Here we are once again at 613 on the 4 hour time frame. So we came down this 4 hour candle here. It bounced off there. The next 4 hour candle held. The next one was green, held, boom, right into this hyper value gap and that prior area of roughly 810 or so. If you guys are familiar with the channel or the table where everybody eats, then y'all know that LUMN Technologies has been a familiar stock on the channel, and these levels are the same levels because y'all know how Flacco do. I trade structure, not hype, and I go based off of levels. I don't be any bias or any of that. But we are now right here at this 810 section. Granted, we did reclaim the 21. We are above 783. However, this 200 SMA right here on the 4 hour is going to be a tough spot. Once we can reclaim that 200, which as you can see, it also lines up with this whole area right about here, meaning if we were to break out, basically, here we go, get up here, come back down, 200 somewhere around there, hold it, test it, that right there could be a confirmation for us to continue to the upside. Now, ideally, or not ideally, vice versa, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw us right here at this 4 hour break around this 762, which if you guys are familiar as well, or in Discord, and y'all know the last time that we wanted a breakout or we wanted an area to hold, when we were trading around, I believe like 13, 14 bucks on this name, when we pulled back, we wanted to hold that 762, which we did. So 762 may be a line in the sand, or what I may do is actually, as you can see, now I made that little tight range of motion in between. I think it's 762, let's just say 760 and 780. So if we were to reject this 810 or the fair value gap or fail to reclaim that 200 SMA on the 4 hour, I will be looking to see if we hold this 762. We lose the 762, then longs are invalidated until we get back above that area, in my opinion. Now, if you guys like how I break this video down, how I come to you guys with the levels, all that good stuff, be sure to check out that link in the description below where we trade structure, not hype. You get to also follow me over on X or Twitter, get real-time alerts, get what I'm looking at in the market, my bias, my viewpoint, all that good stuff, man. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you made it this far. Thank you for watching. Much love. We out.